How to use the Purple Guide. The Purple Guide is an online book providing guidance and legislation for anyone involved in the outdoor events industry. The Purple Guide can be accessed by going to the e-resources page and clicking on the link on the P tab. It can't be accessed from outside the college. Type your search term in the search box and click on the search button. A list of chapters which contain your search term are displayed. Click on a title to read the chapter. If you click on the cogwheel, you have the option to print or email the chapter. You can also jump to other chapters in the guide. You can browse the content using the drop-down menus. You can read the chapters in the Purple Guide and see practical examples and case studies. The Purple Guide Lite is designed to help those organising smaller community and local events comply with legislation and good practice. It provides general guidance to things that need to be considered. The Other Guidance menu gives access to a handbook on providing welfare services within a festival or event, a toolkit for circus safety, information on the ban on single-use plastics, and guidance on indoor events.